हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल। स्वागत है आप सभी का। टुडे आई एम हियर विद अ न्यू टॉपिक, न्यूट्रिशन इन ह्यूमंस। टुडे वी विल स्टडी अबाउट न्यूट्रिशन इन ह्यूमन। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम आई एम स्टार्टिंग। न्यूट्रिशन, द वेरी फर्स्ट पॉइंट कम्स, व्हाट इज न्यूट्रिशन? Nutrition, how can we define? Nutrition is the process of intake of food. Process of intake of food and its utilization to perform different activities. Is known as nutrition. Simply, nutrition can be defined as the process in which food is utilized to perform different activities. Is it clear? Next, how nutrition occur? Nutrition occur in 5 steps. Nutrition generally occurs in five steps. What are these 5 steps? Nutrition. The very first steps comes ingestion. What is ingestion? Ingestion is just simply intake of food inside the body. With the help of a small opening called mouth. Is it clear? Ingestion is the intake of food inside the body with the help of mouth. That is a small opening. This is known as ingestion. In short, we can clear from this side that in means inside. From where? Outside. Outside, food goes inside. That is known as ingestion. Is it clear? We are studying nutrition in humans. Next comes digestion. You all are familiar with digestion. What is digestion? Digestion is simply the breakdown of food material into simpler ones. So we can define the breakdown of complex food into soluble, simple form. Digestion, simply we can say that breakdown of complex food. What is complex food? Complex is that form in which vitamins, carbohydrates, fats, proteins all are in mixed form. That's why it is called complex food. Complex food is broken into simple soluble form, means miscible form, obtainable form, that is known as digestion. Simply digestion can be the breakdown of complex food material into simple soluble form. This is known as digestion. Digestion generally starts from mouth and last to intestines. Okay, next. Third point comes absorption. Next, what is absorption? Absorption is simply absorbing, yeah, the process of absorbing essential nutrients. Through small intestines, finger-like structure called villi. One more time, absorption. It is the process of absorbing the essential nutrient. What are these essential nutrients? The nutrients that were obtained from complex food material into simple form are known as essential nutrients through villi. Means absorption in our body occur through villi that are present in small intestine. One more time, absorption is the process of absorbing the essential nutrients into body through small intestine finger-like structures called villi. This is known as absorption. Next comes assimilation. This is the fourth topic, assimilation. Assimilation is simply the mixing of essential food material through blood capillaries into body parts. Simply we can again revive or revise it. Assimilation is the mixing of essential food material through blood capillaries into body parts or different body parts is known as assimilation. Next comes excretion or egestion. Ex, out. The excretion may be defined as the removal of waste material from our body is excretion or egestion. The removal of waste material from our body. It is waste material that is harmful for our body. That's why we have to remove or eject out the waste material or the partially undigested food material. Removal is known as excretion or egestion. Is it clear? Next comes how we can learn these all steps. One finds very difficulty in learning these type of these steps of nutrition. So here is a trick I want to describe with you. I want to share with you. The trick is that helps in learning all the 5 steps of nutrition. So without wasting time, I am here to tell you the trick. Trick ida I. कौन आई? ida I. ida ingestion. D digestion. A absorption. A assimilation. E excretion. How? ida I. This tells that how the steps occur serially. Okay, from here we have to learn how nutrition occur in step in serial. Okay, next here confusion occurs double A, both the A. Which one will come first? As we know, absorption or assimilation. What will come first? Here confusion occur. So I am solving this confusion. Here, according to dictionary, we have to find that AB comes first, AS comes second. Then there should be no confusion of what assimilation or absorption will come first or. Okay, next, ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, excretion. Is it right? This is the best way to learn nutrition, how nutrition occur, and learn the steps, which one will come first and which one will come next. Here is the trick, you can keep it in mind. Without any confusion, you can learn these all things. So guys, if you find the video awesome, you need to share, comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.